Hello everyone, Tyler here with My Computer Works, and we are back for another tech help video. This time we will be discussing how to update your Microsoft Office software, okay? Now in the past, I've touched on why updates to your software are important, so we're not going to get into that too much. However, I want to mention this. A lot of individuals will hear update Office, and they think that I mean like moving from 2019 version to 365, right? So the different editions that they've released. Not what I mean. No matter what version of Office you're using, whether you're using 2019, the newer 365 package, if you're using a much older version of Office, all of them receive updates, okay? Now these updates bring things like performance improvements, they fix bugs, right? So we get the bug fixes, and they even bring security patches that help prevent, well, security issues, right? So preventing or protecting against security threats, right? So without further ado, let's hop over to the computer and I'll show you how to update your Microsoft Office software. Okay, everybody, so here I am at my desktop. I happen to have the Office programs right here set up. I'm sure you know how to open the Office programs on your computer, right? So I'm gonna show you how to do this the easiest way because I like easy. Easy's good. And you can follow along at home and try this yourself, okay? So, or just go check to see if it's up to date. Sometimes it doesn't automatically update, and that was something I should have mentioned at the beginning of the video. Office can be really bad about updating itself. It's supposed to have an auto updater or it prompt you for updates. Not always the case. Usually when I get onto a computer and I'm doing a checkup for somebody or just making sure that all their software is up to date, Office is always on my list of software programs that I check to make sure that they're up to date because it has a hard time updating on its own, or it doesn't seem to always update on its own, okay? So I'm gonna choose Excel. You can use whatever program you want to open up, but you could do Word, you could do PowerPoint, you could do Outlook, you could do Excel, doesn't really matter. So open up one of your Office programs. So here we are, Excel. All right, now on this left side down here, I have an option that says Account, okay? You see that there down at the bottom, Account. I'm gonna click on that one. Okay, and I do have some personal information blocked here just so that I don't get a bunch of random emails from viewers. Sorry. We have our number down in the, if you want to talk to us, call us via the number down in the description or at the beginning or the end of the video. Be happy to help you out with your technology and we can talk then, right? So for now though, what we're gonna do is going into accounts, and over here you'll see this update options. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that and hit update now, okay? And I'll drag this over here. So now it's checking for updates. Chances are, yeah, I haven't updated mine in a while. So here we go, updates going in. And that is pretty much it. Usually it's going to hit a point where it'll prompt me. Drag this back over. It keeps trying to jump to my main screen. It'll prompt me at some point to most likely, like if you had anything open. For example, if you were in Outlook doing this and updating through Outlook, it would ask you, or it would want you to close Outlook. Or let's say you had a Word document open and you went to do this, they would want you to close the Word document out, okay? But as of right now, it's reaching out to Microsoft, getting that update, bringing it into the system, and updating the Office software. So we'll sit this out for a sec, or we'll sit here for a second and kind of wait this out, and then we will go from there. I will show you because typically there is a final prompt you need to look out for. It's not just going to finalize on its own. All right, and here's that final prompt that I mentioned. So now it's applying the update, and I want to note here that the prompt actually did not pop on my screen. The only reason that I noticed it is because the symbol for the Office programs started to flash orange, okay? And then when I clicked on it, I found this window here, which is the one that I was talking about. So because I had Excel open, they want me to go ahead and do this continue to close out Excel. So I'm gonna hit continue there. There it goes. Apps closed. Updates applying. And here shortly it will open back up and be updated, right? So that is the final part, but you always want to make sure you watch just to make sure it finishes. Updates can fail, right? And sometimes it's important to watch. If they fail for a certain reason, you might get an error code or a message that could help technicians like myself troubleshoot why it failed. But in this case, here we are. Updates were installed. Office is now up to date, and I can continue to use the programs, okay? That is all for the update of Office. It does it across the board for all of the applications. It does it for, Word at this point. If I open up, it's going to be up to date. PowerPoint, it does it across the board. It's the entire Office package, okay? Okay, everybody, so that was it. Very easy video today, but something that I notice a lot of users are not doing, not keeping that Office software up to date. So get in there, check to see if you need some updates. If you're having trouble with any of it, or you run into some issues following the example in this video, or if you're having trouble with any of your technology, please reach out to us via the number, again, beginning, end of the video, down in the description. I can't stress enough how much we'd be happy to help. We're here Monday through Sunday for you, and we would love to help you out with your technology. Thank you, everyone. Please hit that like and subscribe before you go, and I will see you on the next one.